Program number one. Program name. Create a table called employee and execute the following. Employee. Here in the employee table, you have the fields called employee number, employee name, job, manager number, salary, and commission. The first one is create a user and grant all the permissions to the user. Insert the any three records in the employee table contains the attributes called employee number, employee name, job, manager number, salary, and function. And use the rollback to check out the result. Add primary key constraints and normal constraint to the employee table. And last is insert null values to the employee table and verify the result. So if you have already installed MySQL in your respective systems, then directly open MySQL community server command line. So in that I have given here the root current root directory in my system is that is C drive. In that the MySQL -u root that is for the user and root to the password. So when you are installing, and that time it will ask the password. So I have here set it. The password you have to enter and then enter click, and then it will automatically get into the MySQL server. So before creating any databases, so here we need to create employee database. So first we have to see whether the databases exist or not. So for that purpose, we need to type the command called show databases. And at the end of the sentence or statement or line, can give it a semicolon. So then what are the databases available in our system will show automatically by typing this command, that is show databases and semicolon. So here already exists the information schema, MySQL performance schema, and system. So that is here showing the 4 rows in a set. So here I need to create for the company database. So to create company database, there is a command called create. So create database and followed by database name. Here we have taken company. So the successfully database created after that. So you can by using show databases, you can see that our company database is exist in the database list. So now use this database company. So in that we need to create a table. So use company database. So I have here used. So to create table, that is the table name is called employee. In the database called company. So just give the command create table and employee followed by the attributes. The employee number, what I have given, and what I have asked for the question. Create a table, employee table, and have the following attributes like employee number, employee name, job, manager number, salary, and the commission. So these things we have, these attributes have created. So with their respective data types. So number it should be integer. So and followed by the size, the employee name, average character. So 20, you can give it any length. And a job is also in character. And manager number, it is also in integer. And then salary. Salary, that is in a decimal. Why? Because someone's salary may be with a 10-digit letter and also the some pointing decimal point is there. For that purpose, I have given here that 10, 2. So again, in the commission, it is also in the same thing. So decimal data type. So to you need to see the employee database, sorry, company database in that employee table. So what are the fields we have created here? So you can see by using DESC, which means describe the employee table. So here we have taken the fields employee name, employee number, job, manager number, salary, and commission, and their respective data types, and whether it is a null, and the keys and default and extract. So this is the table we can see in the company database. So the first question is to create a user and grant all the permissions. So for that purpose, we need to create here one user and you can take it any respective user name. For example, I am here taken the Banu. Okay. So to create the user name Banu, so there is a command to create the username Banu. So what is that command? That is create user Banu. And then grant all the permissions. So for that purpose, you need to give the command called grant all privileges and employee. So that is the table. In the table, so to give the bond, the particular user name we have created. So it is successfully created, and after that you need to insert the values to their respective fields, okay, respective attributes. So here you can see first is employee number, that is 100. First, the command insert into employee values, that is the first is employee number is 100. Then after name is searching. I have taken here. The job is a software engineer, whatever you may take. So other else, the manager number and the salary commission you have taken. So they have already told you that insert at least 3 values to the employee table in company database. So we have created, we have inserted row, 3 values in the employee database. Okay. So inserted values we can see by using the command called select staff from employee followed by employee table. So here we can see this, the values are successfully inserted in our table, that is employee table. So then if you want to see the employee table, then you can use the command DSC employee. So when it comes to question, so create a user, you have already created, that is Banu, and grant all the permission to the user, done. And insert values, so 3 recorded values, that is we also done. And next, add the primary key constraints and not on constraints the employee table. Let's see how to add the primary keys. So here you need to add primary keys. For that alter table, there is a command alter table employee and primary key. So primary key, it is a unique key and should not be null. So here employee number and manager number, that is a unique number and it wouldn't be null. For that purpose, we are adding the primary keys to these 2 fields, employee number and manager number. So then this successfully, once the primary key is inserted to these 2 attributes, we can see the employee the descriptive, the employee table. So that is employee number, the type is integer, and null, no, not it is null. The having primary key, obviously the value should not be null. So that is successfully the 3rd point is over. And the last 4th is here it is saying insert null values to the employee table and verify the result. Just to insert the null values and see the result, what it will be. So for that, what we have to do is the insert into employee values, that is null, 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 just to insert the null values and see the, and otherwise we can verify the result. So that is, you can see here, it is showing that column employee number cannot be null. Why? Because it is a primary key. So that is the 4th point we have here. So these are about your first calculator.